welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice and peas all the way from the Caribbean. So first I'm letting my kidney beans soak with my garlic overnight. This step is really important because if you don't, they're going to take forever to boil out. I'm going to be adding some scotch bonnet, some scallion, some thyme, and then I'm going to add my coconut cream. Mine is from a can. Then I add in some black pepper and some salt. Then I add in my stock cube. Let this mixture boil out for about 45 minutes. Then I add in my rice and cook for about 25 minutes. You think the rice is pretty much done cooking, you want to let the rice steam. Cover with the lid and then fluff up the rice. That's the recipe completed, and if you have something that you'd like me to do next time, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to do it. Bye guys!